Hi there and welcome to Understanding HTML Elements. I'm your host, a seasoned web developer with years of experience building websites from scratch. Today, we're going to dive into the world of HTML elements and explore what they are, why they're important, and how you can use them to create dynamic and interactive web pages. Part 1. What are HTML elements? HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML. They're used to define the structure and content of a web page, and they're the basic components that make up the HTML language. Part 2. Types of HTML elements. There are many different types of HTML elements, and each one serves a different purpose. Some of the most common elements include headings, paragraphs, images, links, lists, and forms. Part 3. The importance of HTML elements. HTML elements are crucial for creating a well-structured and easily navigable website. They provide a framework for the content on your web page, making it easier for users to find what they're looking for and understand the information being presented. Part 4. How to use HTML elements. Using HTML elements is simple, and it all starts with the HTML code. Simply wrap your content in the appropriate HTML element tags to give it the desired structure and format. For example, you can use the P tag to wrap text in a paragraph or the IMG tag to insert an image into your web page. That concludes our Understanding HTML Elements course. I hope you have a better understanding of what HTML elements are, why they're important, and how you can use them to create dynamic and interactive web pages. Whether you're just starting out with web development or you're looking to refresh your knowledge, I wish you the best of luck on your HTML journey. Thanks for watching.